Today's world scenario is indeed very complex, with globalization and technological advancement taking place, and in this context the engineering education itself is becoming very complex, and industry is looking forward to more and more outcome based programs to be provided by the institutions, so that the graduates can be immediately be employable and useful to the industry. National Board of Accreditation is indeed a body which is looking after the accreditation for the last one and a half decades, and I must say that it is moving in the right direction, particularly with the Washington Accord membership that NBA has accrued. This is something which is very encouraging, not only from the industry perspective but also from the students perspective. Even the present autonomy that has been provided by NBA and its direction towards actually building its own capacity to to undertake the accreditation processes in a more effective manner is indeed extremely welcome. Accreditation is a quality assurance tool that ensures that each and every organization undertakes a set of processes and tools that will allow them to come up with outcome focused results. In terms of engineering institutions, it is indeed very critical, as I earlier mentioned, that the engineering industry is becoming complex, the entire economic scenario is becoming complex, and therefore in today's world a graduate has to has multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary skills and knowledge sets that will allow him to start functioning in the diverse industry scenario. Industry definitely welcomes the focus of the government of India in mandating accreditation, and I am indeed very pleased to know that AICTE and NBA are also working towards it, and that will actually create a scenario of healthy competition, not only within the departments of the institutions but also between the institutions. Here I must add that the membership of Washington Accord is indeed again a very welcome step forward, which will allow not only the mutual recognition of degrees between the country, it will also facilitate mobility between the students, faculty and graduates across the international borders. Accreditation also provides several incentives in terms of actually giving preference for research funding, industry preference for collaboration with institutions that are accredited or the programs that are accredited, and also preferred choice of students and parents in taking admission in these institutions. Hence, we as an industry body indeed welcome all the steps that NBA has been taking in streamlining its own activities and building its own capacity, so that we can move towards 100% accreditation of our engineering and other professional institutions. Thank you.